was amazing. På grund af alle hendes tidligere problemer var det endnu mere utroligt, at hun nu ventede tvillinger. Walked in for the viability sort of scan, and she said,
"No.
Oh yeah, you're pregnant and you
have
twins in your
family."
family.
หมดแล้วลูกตาน่ะ
So I said, yep. She said, there's definitely twins here. I just checked. There's not another one.
Junior.
If they're hidden behind another one or something. Okay, right, fine.
เสียงดัง
Men hendes graviditet gik langt fra godt.
เดี๋ยวนะ
Skønt Sharon på dette tidspunkt ikke vidste det, var hendes tvillinger ved at udvikle en livstruende tilstand, som kunne slå dem ihjel på få uger.
เอาขึ้นให้นมน้องแล้วไปน้องกินนม
13 weeks
ไป
started
เอานมให้น้องกินแล้ว
increase in size, like unbelievably. And I wasn't scanned after 12 weeks
นั่นยัดเลย
until I went at 15 weeks.
No, me out.
So I'm in pain. Which I was.
ได้ป่ะลูก
And that was
น้องกินป่ะ
the amount of fluid was enormous.
เฮ้ย
And that's when they
น้องกินเปล่า
identified that I needed to have another scan. And I did at 16 weeks. I was scanned again. That's when they said I think I've got twin
กินแล้ว
transfusion syndrome.
เอาดกกระดกหน่อยสิกระดก